Imagine waking up in the heart of nature, surrounded by greenery in a beautifully designed mobile tiny home. This modern sanctuary blends sustainability with comfort, featuring a spacious window for natural light, a cozy deck for relaxation, and solar panels for energy efficiency. Parking in a tranquil setting, this tiny home proves that small living can be both stylish and eco-friendly. Welcome to this beautifully designed modern tiny home on wheels. Despite its compact size, this home is thoughtfully crafted to maximize space, comfort, and functionality. With a bright and open interior, stylish finish, and smart storage solutions, it offers everything needed for a cozy and efficient living experience. One of the standout features of this tiny home is the large window. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also fills the space with natural light, making the room feel open and inviting. Whether enjoying the morning sun or stargazing at night, this window creates a seamless connection to the outdoors. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. Designed with both style and practically in mind, this space features modern appliances, sleek wooden countertops, and built-in cabinets that provide plenty of storage. Every inch is utilized efficiently, ensuring that cooking in a small space is both convenient and enjoyable. Adjacent to the kitchen is a small yet functional dining area. The compact table is perfect for enjoying meals, working from home, or even entertaining guests. Nearby, the small sofa creates a cozy lounge space where you can relax, read a book, or simply unwind after a long day. And the main sleeping area is designed for ultimate comfort with soft lighting and easy access to storage. Above, the loft bed provides additional sleeping space, making this tiny home perfect for couples, small families, or guests. The loft is accessible via a stylish and functional ladder, seamlessly integrated into the design. Storage is the key element in any tiny home, and this one is no exception. With multiple built-in cabinets placed throughout the space, including the floor, walls, and even the ceiling, is no shortage of place to keep essentially neatly organized. The smart storage solution ensures that everything has its place, keeping the home clutter-free. Welcome to a breathtaking fusion of modern design and nature, a tiny house bathroom that redefines compact luxury. Imagine stepping into a space that seamlessly blends contemporary aesthetic with the beauty of the outdoors. This modern tiny house bathroom is not just about functionality, it's an experience, a retreat, a place where tranquility meets sophistication. As you enter, the first thing you will notice is the large glass window, a stunning architectural element that floats the space with natural light during the day, creating an open and airy atmosphere. This window doesn't just provide illumination, it also offers a breathtaking view of nature, making every moment spent here feel like a connection to the outdoors. To complement this openness, an exhaust fan is strategically installed to ensure proper ventilation, keeping the air fresh and preventing moisture buildup. This thoughtful feature adds to the comfort and practicality of the space, making it ideal for daily use. The interior is painted in a soft light gray shade, setting a soothing tone that enhances the feeling of calmness. The neutral palette is beautifully contrasted by dark color accents, adding depth and a touch of modern elegance. From sleek black fixture to dark trim details, every element has been carefully chosen to create a sophisticated yet cozy ambience. One of the most distinctive features of this bathroom is the gravel-covered floor, a design choice that bring an unexpected yet stunning natural elements into the space. The texture of the gravel adds a rustic charm, creating a gentle contrast with the sleek modern finish. Walking on it feels like a subtle spa-like experience, making the space even more inviting. A modern toilet blending seamlessly into the design. a sleek shower cabin offering a refreshing escape with its minimalist yet stylish look, a chic wash basin and mirror designed to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Every inch of this space is optimized to provide comfort, efficiency, and beauty proof that a tiny house bathroom can be just as luxurious as a full-size one. This tiny house bathroom is more than just a place to refreshen up. It's a sanctuary where modern architecture meet the tranquility of nature. It's a space designed not just for convenience, but for a harmonious living experience. Okay, anyway, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and exterior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration about the tiny home inspiration. And the tiny home is perfect blend of luxury and practically proving that small space can be both beautiful and highly functional. What do you think about this unique tiny home design? Okay, let us know in the comment. If you enjoy this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible tiny home inspiration. And thanks for watching until the end, and have a good day.